Today I'm making oven-baked lemon pepper wings. These wings are easy to prep, go straight to the oven, and then straight to your table. If you're looking for an easy weeknight dinner, then stick around, I'll show you how to make it. Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making baked lemon pepper wings. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 2.5 pounds of chicken wings, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. In a small bowl, combine your garlic powder and onion powder. Add your parsley flakes and lemon pepper seasoning, then mix until well combined. Make sure you have cleaned and dried your wings, then coat with your olive oil. Now generously season your wings with your seasoning mixture. Now place your chicken on a wire rack. Transfer it to the oven that has been preheated to 400 degrees and allow it to cook for 40 minutes or until it has an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.